Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB and Charlie, although I'm sorry, I'll stick a video at the end of them. They are both hiding. Been doing a lot of cooking today, so the house smells good, and they have both taken up their posts in the kitchen. Okay, got a diamond painting here. Box is squished, but that's what the box is there for. We don't care about the box, we care about what's inside. People get, oh, my box was creased. Yeah, that's why they ship it in a box. I don't worry. I don't sweat the small stuff, and it's all small stuff. So here's the toolkit. It's a nice white boat with a funnel with some bags and tweezers and a pink pen, a single pen, and a big chunk of wax on the back. Let's see. Here's the drills. Oh, that's pretty. It's like the moon over water. Very pretty. I love that image. I have another one that looks a lot like it. But they both make me happy. This is a 40 by 40 full drill round. I see lots of yellow drills, which is the moon. I'll put the image up for you so you can see what it looks like. Let me show off the canvas. Ooh, boy, is this a lot of 310. Lot. And yet, it's kind of sprinkled in here. There's other colors in there, so that's nice. It's going to give it a lot of depth to the image when there's slight variations in the color. There's the image for you on the canvas. You see up close. There's a lot of detail in that moon. Wow, that's really pretty. Really pretty. I think this one's going to be tough to do because the symbols in the background are like two different shades of very dark, and the symbols are very close to each other. If you could see that. Maybe I'll take a picture and put it up of the symbols. So there you go. Really pretty. Hey, if you like my videos, take a minute and hit like. Subscribe, and then if you ring the bell, then you'll be notified when all my videos come out. So really, you can be among the first to see them, first to comment. People like to be first to comment. And ask me any questions. All the information will be in the description. The link to this diamond painting, as well as how the inventory went. I usually say all the drills are present and accounted for. It makes me think of the Army. I don't know. Yeah, and I'll catch you in the next video. You have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me and unboxing with me. I love to see what's come in the mail. I know you guys do too. And I'll try to get BB and Charlie to come take part some more. And take care. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.